15 is described as a wonderland of art, music, and amusement, and they were not lying. It feels a bit overwhelming walking into this space because there's so much to see and do. Inside Area 15, there are 3 rides like Birdly and Halley's Comet, which is a zip line. There are 10 areas you can play a variety of games like 5-iron golf and free roam virtual reality. There's 7 explore experiences like Museum Fiasco, and the reason that we actually came was Meow Wolf's Omega Mart.
Cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be.
Omega Mart is the newest interactive and immersive art experience from Meow Wolf. This is a supermarket on the front end, but after discovering portals throughout the installation, you're immersed into surreal worlds. Outside of the compound, there are art pieces everywhere, especially in Art Island. So this place is a must-see. There are so many things you can do and see here during multiple trips because you're not just going to come once. But when you guys come to Vegas, you got to swing through. So stay tuned for more Vegas gems. Let me know in the comments if you guys plan on visiting. And if you've been here, what did you guys enjoy most? So see you in the next video. Peace and blessings. Bye.